Hello. When you need to manufacture multiple profiles on a single production line, a conventional roll-forming line quickly becomes a bottleneck. This is where a cassette-type roll-forming line becomes the optimal solution. What is it? In simple terms, it is a roll-forming line equipped with interchangeable cassette modules. Each profile is installed in a dedicated cassette that integrates complete roll-forming stands with entry guiding system, drive transmission system, cutoff unit, guillotine shear, or interchangeable die set. Need to change the profile? You simply replace the cassette and resume production. All parameters are preset in advance. No additional mechanical adjustments are required. The forming cassette is installed onto the main machine bed using a lifting device and precisely positioned by locating guide pins. After positioning, the connectors of the automatic control system are engaged. If the cassette includes a cutting unit, quick connect hydraulic couplings are attached. One or several forming cassettes can be used on the same machine base and exchanged sequentially. Average changeover time is 15 to 20 minutes. If you are interested in industrial equipment and practical solutions for thin sheet steel processing, subscribe to the channel. How is precision ensured? The mating surfaces of the machine bed and cassette are precision milled. High torsional rigidity of the supporting structure ensures consistent profile geometry even after repeated cassette replacements. The drive system may include chain transmission, gear transmission, or individual gearboxes installed on each forming stand. To increase productivity, lines may be equipped with flying cutoff systems, cutting on the fly. Unused cassettes can be stacked vertically in multiple tiers, significantly reducing required shop floor space. When should you consider this solution? If your production area is limited, you need to produce more than 2 profiles. You plan to expand your product range. You require flexibility without investing in multiple separate lines. Cassette configuration is particularly advantageous when the line includes expensive peripheral equipment. For example, a heavy-duty press or an automatic profile stacking system. In this case, changeover requires only cassette replacement, die replacement, adjustment of the automatic stacking module. This reduces capital investment and increases manufacturing flexibility and economic efficiency. In practice, you simply order additional cassettes and expand your production capacity. Are there any trade-offs? Compared to single-profile, single-setup lines, the cost difference is relatively small, typically within 10 to 20%. However, dedicated single-profile lines offer higher output rates, as no changeover is required. Therefore, the optimal choice depends entirely on your production objectives. If flexibility, space efficiency, and scalability are key priorities, a cassette-type roll-forming line can be the most effective solution. If you are planning to launch or upgrade your production, contact us for consultation. We will assess your requirements, compare configuration options, and select the optimal solution based on your production volume, facility space, and budget.